Good morning, lovely souls. Happy Monday, Meditation Monday. I'm in a different spot today. It's rather lovely down here. Bit of water, bit of bird song. It's the sun coming up behind me, although the camera's not picking it up amazingly well. How you all feeling? How's the weekend been? I've got some very interesting things coming through and coming up this year at the moment. I'm energetically preparing myself to head to Finland this Friday with Lovisa Alvtorn, Anna Indra Larsson, Jenny Rantakahela, who's very kindly organised this beautiful Nordic Ascension workshop in Helsinki, in Finland, and it's suitably cold and snowy apparently. So talking of cold and snow and whiteness and purity, I've got Serapis Bey coming through this morning. And for those of you that might be feeling like the astral pinch or the collective kind of decompression of a lot of lower frequency stuff at the moment, just take a few moments to gather round, all of us together. Okay, you might be listening to this on your own somewhere far away. You might be morning, it might be afternoon, might be evening, might be the next day, but our connection when we tune into one another is timeless. So take a few moments to imagine yourself connecting with every other soul who's linking into this video, all of us together. And I do this quite often in my Zoom events. Just take a few moments, close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, breathing into your heart center, breathing in through your nose, out through your mouth. Activate the heart center. This is something that should happen very naturally once you've done it a couple of times, once or twice, 3 times, feeling your heart center just opening, surrounding you in a beautiful, pure, gold, white and pink ball of light. Well, that's your connection point. It's also your own personal heart sphere, the core of your ascension process, but it's also an energetic connection point to all of the other souls on the ascension process. So as you activate your heart, be aware of other people doing the same, and see all of us together sitting in a circle of heart-centered light. And as we take a few deep breaths and tune into this scenario, this energetic field of unity that we are co-creating together, also imagine around us forming, as I speak, is Serapis Bey's golden pyramid. Now, Serapis Bey's pyramid first of all existed in golden Atlantis, and then as the frequency of Atlantis changed, Serapis Bey moved his location to Hollow Earth. So find your energy body now, relocating, sat in a circle of heart-centered light in Serapis Bey's golden pyramid in Hollow Earth. You are sat with a person to your left, a person to your right, in a huge circular field of light. Now, this can be as big or as small as you want to make it. You could just be witnessing the presence of your monadic family, the other 143 members of your monad, or you could also just be tuned into the vast field that is linking into the frequency of this meditation. Build it however you want to build it. This scenario is yours. Just allow your fields to adjust. Breathe deeply. Feel your heart connecting to the soul to your right and the soul to your left. And as that happens, just see an ignition of the unified field of heart light. And then in this circle of peace, become aware of a figure beginning to materialize in the center of this circle. It's Serapis Bey. And Serapis Bey this morning has a big grin on his face. He's dressed in gold and white. But he has his hands together like this. Cupped in the palms of his hands is the pure white flame of Atlantis. And he is going from soul to soul, offering the pure white flame to be placed in the heart center of whoever he is approaching. And of course, eventually, your turn will come. So as you breathe, as you relax, as you are settling into this unified field, to see Serapis Bey finally approaching you, offering you in the palms of his hands beautiful, pure white flame, the pure white flame of Atlantis. This is one of the most powerful spiritual energies that we have available to us at the moment. It has the capacity to completely change the frequency of anyone who connects with it. So take this flame, accept it from Serapis Bey with your gratitude, and place it into your heart center. Take a deep breath now. Breathe the white flame into your heart chakra. Feel it moving up into your higher heart, your throat, your third eye, the altar major at the back of your neck, your crown, your causal, your soul star, your stellar gateway, and of course your monadic connection, the solar junction, high above the top of your head. Also feel it moving down into your solar plexus, your navel, your sacral, your base, and the earth star chakra below the soles of your feet. And as you breathe this in, every cell of your body becomes pure, glistening, iridescent, blazing white. Feel the pure white flame of Atlantis coursing through your veins, relaxing and lighting up your nervous system. Feel it moving up and down the vertebrae of your spine, also particularly focusing on lighting up the altar major at the back of your neck. The altar major is doing a lot of work at the moment. It is doing a lot of disconnection from 3D, reconnection at 5D, all of this kind of stuff, and some of it can be feeling very physical. Allow the pure white flame to release, and ask your altar major to release its grip on 3D, and just feel that depressurization, that freedom as you breathe and relax. Feel the tension leaving your muscles, any stress, any resistance, anything that's coming through to you at this time. And so the pure white flame of Atlantis is mixing exclusively with the frequency of your fifth dimensional heart center, and it is creating its own perfect storm of ascension energies within your body. At this moment in time, just ask yourself, or allow your heart to point out anything to you which might need releasing. Just one thing at a time, and just ask the pure white flame to do this for you. And just breathe and relax as this occurs. Give yourself a little bit of time in this space. It might take a few moments to just identify what that is within your body that needs releasing, what your attention is being brought to at this time. Relax and let it go. And as you continue to breathe, as the pure white flame just moves and identifies through your body anything that is specifically highlighting itself. Just take a few more deep breaths now, in through your nose, out through your mouth, and just be aware that energetically that you can stay in this pyramid space, in this circle of light with your soul brothers and sisters for as long as you want. You could be there all day, all week, all month if you choose to be, or you can return here. This is a safe space that has been created. And just feel yourself beginning to come back to this point of consciousness now, wherever you are in the world. Feeling bright, refreshed, purified. The pure white flame of Atlantis has integrated with whatever it needs to do within your body. Feel the feet, feel your feet, not somebody else's, your feet on the floor. Rub your hands together, open your eyes, come back to where you are, smile. It's a brand new day, it's a brand new week. And for those of you who are going to be joining me in Finland, Lavisa and I in Finland, looking forward to seeing you on Friday. Got my warm jacket all ready and my hat and my gloves because I know it's going to be chilly. And then David Essery and I are starting the most incredible Ascension series on the 1st of February. And the details, as you have probably already seen with the video that we sent out, will also be underneath the text in this meditation. And yeah, I won't be recording my Ascension update as usual on Friday. I have something else in store for you. Sending you all so much love. Bye for now.